was Publius's father. When they set foot on the island, it was raining and had become cold. The people there were kind to him. They helped collect wood for fire. As Paul collected some wood for fire, a poisonous snake crawled onto his hand and bit him. But nothing happened to Paul. He just shook off the snake and went on working. The people thought that Paul was God. Paul was invited to stay at the home of Publius, the official on the island. His father was very ill. Paul sat beside him. He prayed to the Lord and placed his hands on him. Within seconds, the father was healed. Publius thanked Paul for curing his father. When the islanders heard about this, they brought in their sick relatives. Paul cured them and preached them too. Paul stayed in Malta for 3 months. Then he left for Rome. Paul in Rome. The ship from Malta took Paul to Syracuse in Sicily. There, he stayed for 3 days. After that, it sailed up the coast of Rhegium on the tip of Italy. From there, it sailed to Puteoli, where Paul stayed for a week. After leaving Puteoli, the ship sailed along the Appian Way to Rome. In Rome, the Christian community was waiting for Paul. They greeted him warmly. Afterwards, Paul and the other prisoners were handed over to the captain of the guard. Paul was given special treatment. He was allowed to live in his own rented house, but a sentry kept watch over him. He was kept under house arrest for 2 years. He was allowed to have visitors. Many visitors came to meet him. He wrote accounts on his journeys and long letters to different churches. Paul talks to the Jews of Rome. Paul called all the Jewish leaders in his house. He said to them, "Brothers, although I had done nothing against our people or the customs of our ancestors, yet from Jerusalem I was handed over as a prisoner to the Romans. I am a prisoner for wrong reasons." The leaders were glad for an opportunity to talk with him. They had heard people talking about this new religion, and they wanted to learn more about it. So, the next day they met again, and more people came this time to hear him. Paul spoke the whole day. He told them all about Jesus. Some believed him, but some still did not believe him. Paul lived there for 2 years in his own rented house. He welcomed all who came to him. He taught about Jesus and the kingdom of the Lord without restriction. The poor slave. While in Rome, Paul met a slave. In those days, the Romans kept several slaves, and if they ran away, they were punished. To save him from such a fate, Paul took the slave under his shelter. His name was Onesimus. Paul converted him into a Christian, but Onesimus knew that he would have to go back one day. Now, Paul came to know who his master was. It was Philemon, who had also been baptized by Paul. So, Paul wrote a letter to Philemon saying, I have recently met your slave. I request you to welcome him back like you would welcome me. Though I would like to keep him, I would wait for your consent. I will pay back any money he owes you. Paul hoped that once his prison stay would end, he would visit Philemon again.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.